Welcome all. Today we are going to start your 14th chapter, that is your phrases and clauses. Okay. So, at first, let's see what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of related words which do not contain a subject, a verb, and does not make a complete sense of its own. A phrase makes sense only when it is a part of a sentence. So, what is a phrase? A phrase is a collection of words which does not have a subject, does not have a verb. It's just a cluster of words which does not have its own meaning but get a complete sense when it is attached to a sentence, when it becomes a part of a sentence. For example, in the kitchen, in the morning, of no use, across the road, all these are your cluster of words which gets its complete meaning when it is attached to a sentence. For example, if I say in the kitchen, my mom was working in the kitchen. So my sentence is my mom is working in the kitchen is just a phrase when it is attached to a sentence. Okay. See, my mom is cooking. Mother is cooking food in the kitchen. She gets up early in the morning. This money is of no use to me now. Okay. Next. A sentence always has a verb when a phrase does not. The verb is at the heart of the sentence. Means, what is the function of a heart? The heart keeps a human alive. So, the verb is the heart of the sentence which keeps the sentence alive. Okay, so a sentence has a verb whereas a phrase does not, and that's why the phrase does not have a life. It gets its life when it is attached to your sentence. Okay, there are three kinds of phases: a noun phase, adjective phase, and adverb phase. Now, what is a noun phase? Noun phase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. It answers the question what and who. It answers the question what and who, and it does the work of noun. A cluster of words that is doing the work of a noun is known as noun phrase. I like grapes. Okay, grapes is a noun. I like to eat grapes. Both meaning is same. Both the sentences have similar meaning, but the way of saying is different. I like grapes. Here grapes is replaced by to eat grapes. So this to eat grapes is my noun phrase. Phrase means what? A group of words. To eat grapes is a group of words doing the work of simple noun grapes. So it has become my noun phrase. Raman is fond of Arjun. Noun. Raman is fond of the boy who plays tennis. Now, who is Arjun? The boy who plays tennis. It answers the question what and who. Who? Raman is fond of who? Arjun, who plays tennis. I like grapes. What? I like to eat grapes. Okay. See? In the first sentence, the word grapes is a noun. It answers the question what. In the second sentence, to eat grapes also answers the question what. It acts as a noun and is a noun phrase. Okay, so this acts as a noun phrase. Clear? Sometimes we need a group of words to talk about a person or a thing. A noun phrase can act as the subject or the object of the word. Now see. Sentence, subject plus verb plus object. This is the format of sentence. Now subject can also be the noun, object can also be the noun. The hunter killed the tiger. Here hunter is also a noun, tiger is also a noun. So similarly, noun phrase can work as a subject, can work as an object. Your warning to them was very important. So your warning becomes my noun phrase as a subject. He dislikes being woken up early. What? Being woken up early. Here it is noun phrase is working as a object. Okay. Next is your adjective phrase. Now what is adjective? An adjective is a word which describes or modifies a noun, which gives some information about noun. And what is adjective phrase? Adjective phrase is a group of word which is doing the work of adjective. Okay, for example, if I say the girl is wearing a pink gown, The girl is wearing a gown of pink color. Of pink color becomes my adjective phrase because it is doing the work of an adjective. See? An adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. It tells us something more about the noun. It tells us more about the noun like an adjective. My neighbor is a wise man. Wise man, wise is an adjective because it is modified. It is telling about the noun man. My neighbor is a man of great wisdom. So, of great wisdom becomes my adjective phrase because this is doing the same work like wise. In this sentence, wise is an adjective while the phrase of great wisdom does the work of an adjective, qualifying the noun man. So, the phrase of great wisdom is an adjective phrase. Work of adjective is qualifying a noun. Here, of great wisdom is doing the same work of qualifying the noun man. Okay. She had draped a sari with heavy embroidery. With heavy embroidery is your adjective phrase. A heavily embroidered sari is your adjective. This is your adjective. Okay. He spoke against the government that practiced corruption. So, practiced corruption is your adjective phrase. Corrupt government is your adjective. Next is your adverb phrase. A phrase that performs the function. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word, is a part of speech that modifies a verb, modifies an adverb, modifies a adjective, an adjective. Okay. An adverb phrase which does the work of the adverb, doing the same thing, is a phrase that performs the function of an adverb in a sentence, modifies the verb, is an adverb phrase. Jatin shouted at the landlord angrily. Angrily is your adverb. Jatin shouted at the landlord in anger. In anger becomes your adverb phrase. Please go home now. Now is your adverb of time. Please go home at this very moment. At this very moment is your adverb phrase. Okay. Adverb phrase answers the question when, how, where. Okay. Answers the question when, where, how. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. See, adverb phrase of manner. Ria writes her articles meticulously. Ria writes her article in a meticulous manner. Ria writes her article carefully. Ria writes her article in a careful way. Okay. The athlete ran fast towards the finish line. Ran fast. Fast is adverb. The athlete ran at a great speed towards the finish line. Okay. So at a great speed means whenever there is a cluster of words that is replacing adverb becomes your adverb phrase. Doing the work of adverb means adverb phrase. Okay. Time, everywhere, at all places. This is one word, this is multiple word. Here, at this place. There, at that place. Ankit left his wallet there. Ankit left his wallet at that place. Done. Adverb phrase of time. Mehak is leaving for Jammu tomorrow. Mehak is leaving for Jammu next day. So, the next day becomes your adverb phrase of time. Today, at this very day, at this very day. Okay, becomes your adverb phrase of time. Next, we will be reading about your clauses. All this was your adverb. Next, we will be dealing with adverb of clauses. Adverb is phrases is completed. We will be dealing with clause. Okay. So, we will be dealing that in your next video. So, till then, go through this chapter. Okay. And enjoy it.